What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You want to take a power bank when you travel? How about a wireless one? If you've been on the channel long enough, you've seen that myCharges have been no stranger to the channel because I really loved them. The myCharge hubs were awesome. They were awesome power banks. I used them a lot, built-in lightning cables, but I haven't used them so much lately because all of my devices have wireless charging. And so the question is, how do you wireless charge and take advantage of that on a portable device? So myCharge has the answer with this, the Unplugged 10K. It's a fast wireless power bank. So I've just opened it up here. It's in white, very nice looking. Instruction here, we need them. Micro USB cable as required by law, basically. The myCharge here is pretty nice. It's all kind of this velvety soft finish. It's nice and grippy. And as you can see here, we've got the stats. Capacity 37 watt hours, input 2.4 amp, output 2 amp and 2.4 amp max. And so what we can see here is it's kind of square. It looks like just a regular power bank. And in this end here is where we get all the business part of it. Get the micro USB in. We have two USB ports here. I guess I don't see them marked specifically. I think one's the 2.0, one's the 2.4. We have little LED lights here, like 5 of them. So we just tap it. I think we have two lights on. So that's kind of the state of charge, 20%. And then we have right here, it's just like silked on there, but we must have the wireless charger in here. So that's going to be Qi wireless charging, and then that's it. So if you have a regular corded device, you can certainly plug it in there and charge it up. Now, what I want to do here is I've got an iPhone 6 here. I've got this wireless receiver in the back end. I'm just going to use this to bust around here. I'm going to put it on here, and I'm going to hold down this button. Boom! Look at that. Charging wirelessly. If I pull it off, stops charging. If I put it back on here, boom. Thought I might have to press the power button again, but I don't. So you might be able to see there, charging up. So this is pretty awesome. I don't even need any cables. I could put this potentially, like my XS Max or something like this. I could put it in the pocket of a backpack or something like that and just let it charge up, and you're not sorting through your cables. Oh, is it micro USB, is it lightning, whatever. Everything here is just super convenient. Plug it in to your nightstand and charge up this bad boy. Awesome. I love it. This sucker's going with me on my next trip. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.